Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS comments. And right now we want to discuss about something nice again. Let's get back to our document. We want to know, is it possible to use CSS to use HTML comment inside CSS? So that's what we want to try now. So quickly, let's try this. Let's have some fun. This is our CSS internal style. So let's use our HTML comment right here at the top right here. Let's come to the bottom right here and have our comment right here. Can you see it is not working inside our style? It is not working right here. But the bonus part is that it is working inside this our body right here. I'm trying to show you all this so you can be able to understand the scope behind all this again. Can you see? It works instantly. Can you see? It is working right here. As you can see, it changed our code immediately. Our code change looks, but it is not working here. When you use it here, it's never going to work. As you can see, this is also HTML document. This is HTML template, right? It's supposed to work. Why is it not working? You can see. So as you can see, it's not working. So, and again, I want to show you something. Let's place it at the top right here. Let's specify it right here. Right. I'm going to do the for next part. Can you see? It's not working now. Let's see. It can only work outside your style. It can never work inside your style. So using HTML comment inside your CSS, never try it because you are just going to stress yourself. It's never going to work. But you can use it outside your style, outside your style sheet. As you can see, you can use it to comment out anything once it is a HTML document. But if it's inside the style tag right here, it can never work. Even when you use it inside the external style file, also it's never going to work. So that is the benefit of using the CSS style when you are trying to type or doing anything. So practice makes perfect. If I didn't practice all this, no way I can know that it's not going to work. So make sure you also practice this, because as you can see, it works. But if let's say you put it inside, just inside as if it's going to work, it's never going to work. Let's place it inside now. It's never going to work. Let's use it inside right here. Don't forget this one also right here. Let's save our document. Can you see? It's never going to work. So I want you to practice it, because practice makes perfect. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time in our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thanks.